Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by sorting items into fabrics and colors so nothing dies or overstretches. Once sorted, pick the mesh bag size that matches the load. Small for bras and hosiery, larger for knitwear. Make sure every zipper is closed and drawstrings are tucked in. This prevents snagging. Place items loosely, not packed tight, to allow water flow. Once done, shake the bag gently to settle garments and confirm the closure is secure before moving to the washer. Now you focus on machine settings and proper loading to protect fabrics. Select a gentle or delicate cycle and cold water for most delicates. Use warm only if the care label allows. Load the bag at about 70% capacity so garments can move and rinse thoroughly. Place the mesh bag on top of the drum or among other items, not jammed against the agitator, to avoid uneven agitation. Once set, start the cycle and monitor the first minute to ensure the bag spins freely. Finish by handling wet items with care. You should remove garments promptly and reshape knits before air drying flat or hanging lighter pieces. Make sure not to use high-heat dryer settings unless the label permits. Heat can shrink or damage elastic. If you encounter pilling or tangling, rewash those pieces alone on the gentlest cycle and check closures. If you find a zipper snag or a tear in the mesh, stop using that bag, repair or replace it to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.